Hello, educators. Imagine teaching kids using animations. It would be a lot of fun teaching, and there's no doubt it would be full of fun for kids too. Want to know more about this? Watch this video till the end. It's called Digital Revolution 21st Century Teachers Program for NTT and pre-primary teachers. The world has changed, and so have the technologies. And it's time for us to get on board with that change. When it comes to early childhood education, we want preschoolers to experience technology, digital tools, and modern methodology. I'm on this 5-day transformation journey with you to create a 21st century classroom for preschool learners. 21st Century Teacher is our 5 days program where we walk you through how to transform your class into a lively, engaging, and immersive classroom with innovative teaching practices and purposeful technology integration into your curriculum. Who should take up this course? This program is for any educator who is serious about transforming their classroom with innovative teaching practices and meaningful, easy to learn, and use in classroom technology. The curriculum of the course. This is a summary of the topics covered in the 5 days course. Using animations to improve vocabulary and verbal skills. Animating letters and words to teach phonics. Improving reading abilities. Creating general subjects through animations such as animal names and their sounds, names of fruits and vegetables, domestic and wild animals, bird names and their sounds, colors, traffic rules, seasons, sorting, and many other topics. Using animations to improve math abilities, using apps to conduct quizzes, using PowerPoint to create stories and your lessons, worksheet creations, using artificial intelligence to generate comments for reports, mixed realities, and creating a website for your class. Obtain certification from VIECCE Teachers Training, registered under Ministry of HRD, New Delhi, Central Government of India. Duration of this course is 5 days. Timings are 5 to 6:30 p.m. The course fee is rupees 4,500 and only 20 students per batch will be allowed. You can pay with the Google number 988-6923-865 to register for the first batch starting on 12/6/22, that's Sunday. Sign up for our 21st Century Teachers Training Program. Call us now and click here to register. If you have any further questions, please contact us at charu5555@gmail.com and the contact number is 98869238665. Thank you.